bought the Harbor Freight 3-inch bench grinder predominantly for the fiber wheel, which nobody else has. The bench grinder has a 3-inch fiber wheel, and that's nice for polishing and deburring, also satin finishing, 3-inch fine stone for a grinding wheel, a 150-watt motor. It's a little bit underpowered. It's got a 39-inch flexible shaft. It weighs 6.9 pounds, and it operates at 10,000 RPM. It is variable speed. It's low price. Regular price is $49.99, but on sale you usually get it 20% off. Here's the Harbor Freight 3-inch multi-purpose bench grinder. It comes with a grinding wheel on one side, and it comes with a pad that basically is a buffing pad, but it'll also sand down material that is pretty rough. And when you're sanding and polishing metal, you'll see sparks fly. Here you have two big washers that hold it on the inside and on the outside. Now this one has been worn down pretty much, and it got to the point where you really can't buff very much on this because it'll hit the washers. But let's take this off and see what's underneath. You turn this clockwise and this nut will come off. Then these washers come off, and then a buffing wheel comes off, and lo and behold, there's still a bunch of material on here. So if you just remove these big washers and replace them with small washers, then all of a sudden you have a lot more surface left that you can use and save yourself some money, since these pads are fairly expensive. You just turn this back counterclockwise, tighten that nut, and there you go. Now you have a lot more surface to use and to buff your materials. This gives you some idea of some of the things that it can do by buffing, but you can also use the other side for grinding small objects down, and it does a very good job. It removes material very quickly. So get the most out of your bench grinder and save as much of that pad as possible.